Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Emma.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I had a dream about pancake.
Haha, you always dream about food.
Because food is my favorite thing ever.
Come on, Liam, wake up. It's morning.
5 more minutes, please.
No way, you'll be late for school.
Okay, I'm up. See?
Haha, you're still half asleep.
Emma, what are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth.
Haha, you have toothpaste on your nose.
What? Oh no.
Don't worry, it's minty fresh. Haha.
Did you pack your school bag?
I think so.
You think so? Let's check.
Oh no, my homework isn't here.
Liam, not again.
Breakfast is ready, kids.
Yay! What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and orange juice?
My favorite. Can I have 2, please?
Sure, but eat your fruits too.
The school bus is coming.
Wait, I can't find my shoes.
You're wearing them.
Oh, right. Hee hee.
You're so funny, Liam. Haha.
Emma, let's sing a song.
Okay, which one?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That was awesome.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we'll learn about animals.
Yay! I love animals.
Especially cats.
What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What about a dog?
Great job, kids.
Woof, woof. I have a sandwich and apple. What about you?
I have pizza. Want some?
Just one bite.
Okay, but a small one. Haha.
Let's play hide and seek.
Okay, I'll count to 10.
Don't peek.
1, 2, 3. I'm coming.
You will never find me.
Welcome home, kids.
We had so much fun.
I learned animal sounds.
That's great. Now wash your hands.
Yes, Mom.
Let's do our homework together.
Okay, but can you help me with math?
Sure, 2 plus 2.
5.
Liam, ha ha ha.
Dinner is ready.
Yay! What's for dinner?
Rice, chicken, and veggies.
My favorite.
As long as there's dessert after.
Time to sleep, Liam.
Already? I'm not sleepy yet.
Close your eyes and count stars.
1, 2, Z's.
Good night, sleepyhead.